purchase your tracks today.
I wake up in the morning like rise and shine. Get my hustle on, the streets provide the grind. Try and stack this paper up, about to lose my 9 to 5. I need a couple hundred stacks to party like it's 99. I'm like fuck the hood, I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. It's time to shine, provide for mine, bottom line. Damn right I'm on my grown man shit. If you fuck with my plans, I got the whole damn clip. No, we never sleep, we never fall, we never slip. Not for a minute, not a second, not a bit. I come from the bottom, gotta get it how I live. Sometimes I reflect on all that shit I did, but I leave it in the past. It is what it is. Like my mom said, kids will be kids. Now I'm more mature, do this for her, and that's for sure. I remember back slinging O's to pay the rent. I was young, dumb, had money, but I never saved a cent. Bragged about hustling, but really I was struggling. My first time on the mic, I shook and started stuttering. But a nigga learned to cope with the pressure. Pounds on the table, coke in the dresser. If I'm not hustling, I'm solving problems like professors. Learn from my mistakes, take notes from this lecture. R.I.P. phrase, my nigga, God bless you. I'm on my way home, I got a long way to go. I'm out here making dough, I'm out here making dough. Can I propose a toast? Like here's to making more, here's to making more. I'm on my way home, I got a long way to go. I'm out here making dough, I'm out here making dough. Can I propose a toast? Like here's to making more, here's to making more. Ain't no such thing as a fair chance. Since life's a bitch, you gotta wear the pants. You gotta step back to see the big picture. Mommy gone, now my mommy be my biggest sister. I'm on the road to riches, looking for the road to richer. Been writing rhymes for days, I got a couple blisters. The more problems I got, the more I hit them swishers. I lost a lot of niggas to the streets, a few to prison. Promise my nigga one day I'll be on that television. But it's hard not to get burnt up in Hell's Kitchen. I'm smoking on that medical, no prescription. And a nigga like me always fit the description. I'm thankful for this life that I was given, but I'm trying to make it far from this ridiculous living. Addicted to fast money, I need an intervention before I learn a lesson in that Department of Corrections. I'm on my way home, I got a long way to go. I'm out here making dough, I'm out here making dough. Can I propose a toast? Like here's to making more, here's to making more. I'm on my way home, I got a long way to go. I'm out here making dough, I'm out here making dough. Can I propose a toast? Like here's to making more, here's to making more.